Hello friends, let us learn our lesson number 2, Go and Come. First, I will read the lesson for you. So, if you have any hard words or difficulties, it will be solved. Let us start. Once, once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. "Little boy," said the uncle, "you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child." But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. "I can't do it," he said. "Oh, yes, you can," said the uncle. "Well, I don't want to, not just now," said the little boy. "But you must," said his uncle. "Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go." The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Just then his mother walked in. "What's the matter, little boy?" she asked. "Why do you look so unhappy?" "Uncle told me to weed the garden," said the little boy. "Oh," said his mother, "what fun that will be! I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed?" "Why, yes," said the boy. "Come, let us do it now," said his mother. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. This story is adapted from Go and Come by Laura E. Richards. Now let us see its explanation. On the page number 2, there is some description about the boy's family. In this story, there are three characters: a little boy, his mother, and his uncle. The boy was living in a pretty little cottage with a beautiful garden around it. And when you have a garden, you must know that there is much work to do, like watering, giving manure to plants, etc. The boy had a very strict uncle and he was hard-working man. So he thought that others should do also the hard work. So one day he told that the boy to go and weed, remove unwanted plants from the garden. But the boy did not want to do. He did not feel to do that time. So he refused. The uncle got annoyed and ordered him to do again. The boy felt that his uncle was unreasonable. The boy did not like uncle's behavior. He was about to cry. Seeing the boy in that condition, his mother came in and asked him the reason of his unhappiness, and the boy told her the whole incident. Now his mother suggested that both would go and work in the garden. The boy got up readily and went. In that way, they both weeded the garden with laughing and chatting. In this picture on page number 3, we see that boy is happy because his mother is helping him. I have solved the exercise for you. Study it too. Thank you.